So it's my thorough cleaning day, so that I think I'm actually gonna have a drink tonight and go on live. But you probably won't see this until, I don't even know. But anyway, that's what I do on Friday. It's one of my regimens. And unfortunately, remember I told you, I don't even know if I told you, but I'm gonna try to insert a clip. Biggie likes to go inside Bolo's cage for some reason and go to sleep. I don't know why. It's like his little buddy. And like I told you, he's fresh. He's fresh. And so is Biggie, okay? But this morning, I was upstairs taking a number 2, talking to Kilo. And I hear this big bang. And I'm like, oh God. Oh God. What just happened, okay? I told Kilo, I'm afraid. I am afraid to go downstairs. It sounded like the cage fell. Luckily, I came downstairs and the cage did not fall, but the top, he must have gotten into here, pushed his little sneaky little self in there and pushed this top off. Boom. The lights fell. My computer was up here. That fell. So I was like, oh my God. Kilo's like, okay, well, it's not as bad as you thought it was, but it definitely is crazy. And so had to come down here and clean up and vacuum and do all that stuff. So I figured, you know what? Today's a good day to finally do my bedroom, because my bedroom is the one that is neglected all the time. Like, I do everything else, but my room is always neglected. So I'm about to do my bedroom. This is kind of what it looks like. By the way, guys, remember I went to Ulta. We're gonna try that today. My new foundation. We'll see how it really works. I have never purchased anything so expensive for makeup, but unfortunately, sometimes you got to pay more to get more. And I'm gonna take just a second and show you guys what I got, and then fun is over and it's time to get to stepping. But so here's my Ulta receipt. The Dip Brow Pomade in Caramel. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Got that. Got the Double Wear Estee Lauder. I got Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. And I got the Dip Brow Gel. So after we work, we shall play. How about that? And then we'll see how long this makeup stays on my face. I guess it's not dirt. It's a shadow. This is where, update on my skin, it is drying it out. I don't know what it's doing for me though. Alright, I gotta get up. I gotta do this shit. Just a second longer. Just playing. Come on.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bruh. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never caught.
My workout clothes were upstairs, but I'm bringing them down here because all my clothes are upstairs in my beauty room. My pajamas are down here, but I want to get into the routine of waking up, putting my workout clothes on, and doing my workout. So that's, I'm gonna keep them down here where I could see them, and boom. I also need to buy another dresser. I really need to buy another dresser. I do. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm looking through my clothes for the summer clothes that I can put away because I'm taking out the fall and winter clothes.
Everyone's invaded, privacy is naked. Man, I really hate it, God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Fucking grab it, I am never static. Massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah bitch.
I'm still reading this book. For right now, I still keep my pajamas underneath in an old drawer. See? I just keep it underneath my bed. But I barely got any freaking pajamas in here right now. So we gotta clean this out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh shoot, found a charger. What do you know? I have this and I should use it. I don't know. What else I got in here? Just a bunch of crap. So until I get my new dresser, this is what I'm using. You never know what you could find underneath your bed. Papers, papers, papers. You know, those papers that you just kind of throw. Aww. I think I love you. I think this was Mother's Day. Kilo wrote this to me. I don't know when this was. It said, oh, Happy Mother's Day. It says, I started as a man with vision, but you made the dream come true. I'm proud to be the rock to this family, but you are the glue. Your smile is like heaven, your eyes a paradise ocean blue. You've taught me I don't have to fight this war alone, that I could always run to you. Who would have thought this old thing called love could make this man feel brand new? And then the kids wrote, Happy Mother's Day, I love you. Look at Angie's writing. This must have been a long time ago. I have to save this. Then he made me a little rose there. And that's why I guess I save it and don't know really where to put it. Whatever. Okay, back to cleaning. I'm sweating. Look at my vein in my neck. Ooh, what is that? Oh my god, guys, look what I found. Look at Layla. Tony. Look how young I looked. I think that's why, like, my boys, you know, I grew up with my boys. I truly grew up with them. Like, I didn't know how to be a mom, you know. I kind of just went with the flow, and I took on that motherly instinct, and I just went with it. And I was a very overprotective mother with my son, with my first son. Even with Laylo, too. I was a nervous mom. Always a nervous mom. Like, you know, like, you just don't want anything bad to happen. So I was, like, very, very protective. Yeah. But those are my babies. Before the tattoo. Okay, so you know the bedside thing that you got, you know, there. Well, I cleaned it out. Oh my god, I look a mess. So I got all of my stuff here that I have to organize now. It's all empty there. And I got all these papers here that I have to go through. And then I'm done with that. And I gotta hang a few things that I have not hung yet, like that thing. So I think that I'm gonna figure it out. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten, feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session, but I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants, I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing, got no time to be depressed, on this grind you always stress, so I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell, I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell, so watch me. So watch me. Man, this beat got me aggressive, got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this straight direction, cause it runs without an engine. Oh, when did I fail to mention that I need all your attention? Cause we're failing in retention, listen up or just forget it. I ain't here to spit perfection, I embrace my imperfections. I just want all that's neglected to hear something they connect with. So I use my only method, all these words that I've invested. I don't hope that they're impressive, I just hope that they're effective. Yeah. I swear to God, if you want it, then you got to get it. Cause when I'm on my deathbed, no, I will not regret it. You only got one life, one shot, don't let it slip away. Today, get up and make a big change, huh? You decide your own future, a winner or a loser, a headline or a rumor, on the bench or a shooter, superstar or recruiter, defensive prosecutor, just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? If you have a dream, go capture it, go activate, get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate, just looking for an advocate to hire me to pack your shit. You want it, take a stab at it, you need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter, shit, just block them out and capture it. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help, I was told to show. Finito. Okay, this is what it is. This is the floor. I am gonna get a dresser. It's probably gonna go right there. I don't really know. So that's. Was I even recording? I don't even know. Let me do this again. Okay. Here it is.